Welcome back, everybody. If you're clicking on this video, you're here for the toolbox. So, as promised, I'm going to show you guys the toolbox. I just have to get the ice cream and everything in there. Give me a second. Let me get everything unloaded. Let me get my life together, and we will show you the toolbox. 1 second. All right. That's fine. All right, guys. Got everything out of the Jeep, got settled. We're back. Now time to show you guys the toolboxes. Are you ready? Look at that dog back there. Why does this wiggle so much? I wonder if I can stop some of this wiggling on this wire. Just the wind? Is it because I didn't straighten it out? I don't know. Anyway, let's look at these toolboxes, guys. Let's look at them. Here we go. So there was some up in the airness about, do we get this one that is less, or do we get this one that costs a little bit more and has more storage? So we went back and forth. I was like, what do I do? What do I do? And I did a lot of negotiating on this one. This one was easy. Made the offer. They're like, yeah, if you can come out and get it, then I'll sell it to you for that. So it was a little bit of a drive, but totally worth it. This one, I had to do some negotiating with. They wanted big money because they knew what they had. So for those that don't know, these are Montgomery Ward Remline toolboxes. They are well built. They are an older construction. They are very vintage, but they're exactly what we need for the bus. The build on them is tremendous, from the handles to the slides to the drawers. You see this has multiple drawers that slide out. Like, this is an absolute game changer. So here is the plan. We have a toolbox for the bus, and we have a toolbox for the Jeep. And each one, like I was saying earlier or in the last video, each one will have its own set of what it needs. But I mean, this thing, a little bit of rust right here, a little bit of rust right there. But for what we paid for these bad boys, this is a win. This is a win, guys. Like, oh man, the slides, you hear that? You're talking about, these toolboxes are older than me. Well, no, depending on what year they were produced, they might not be older than me. But these toolboxes are well over 30 years old. And the integrity of them, they don't build them like this. If they build them like this, you're paying thousands of dollars. You're paying thousands of dollars for a Snap-on, a Matco. You're paying thousands of dollars. But for this is a win, guys. This is a win. Interchangeable. Look at that. That is a win, guys. So excited. Thank you guys for watching. Thank y'all for going on that journey with me in the last video. We'll go into a more deep tour. Actually, tell me, do you want a deeper tour? Do you want a video dedicated to just what these can do and what they're capable of? Let me know what you want, or if you'd rather see it live stream. Live stream's always good too. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Peace out.